sci-fi area. I woke up in the morning to find my campsite only a few meters from an unprotected, unstable cliff edge and old harrow rocks, located at Handfast Point on the Isles of Purbeck in Dorset, southern England. Did you dare to walk along this unstable 1-meter wide cliff ridge with sheer drops on both sides? Grabe, ang ganda dito, man. Perfect. It's a paradise. I woke up in the middle of the night because heavy winds were battering my tent. Along the way, I encountered a group of cows in a closed private gate. I'm so exhausted, that's why I fell asleep for a while. Before I got there, I had to stand on a train for about 3 hours because it was so crowded. After an unfortunate 3-hour journey standing on the train, I finally arrived in Bournemouth.
So I'm officially arrived now at Bournemouth train station. Yeah. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to the city center to buy some food, some supplies, to go to Old Harrocks. I need water and food, by the way. So let's go. So I think I'm here now at city center of Bournemouth. Maybe this is the center. Yeah, that one. So what I need is, I'm looking for an international grocery store to buy some food. I need water, by the way. So I'm waiting for my Uber. It's 1 minute more, going to Sandbanks.
Because I was late buying a ferry ticket, I missed the ferry and had to wait about 10 minutes for it to return. When the ferry arrived, I got ready to board.
The ferry is right now. Inside now.
It was my first time riding a ferry that carried cars as well as passengers. The crossing was short, only about 4 minutes, but it was still an exciting experience as we traveled to the other side of the island.
So after a long ferry, after a 4 minutes ferry.
When I reached the other side of the island, I quickly noticed signs saying no camping, no barbecues, and no fires. They were scattered all over the islands, which made me feel a little anxious. I understood why there were so many signs like this. Much of Europe had been experiencing drought conditions for over a month, and even a small mistake could easily cause a fire.
I'm on my way to Old Harrow Rocks after a long 3 hours journey standing on the train, and I still had to take an Uber and then a ferry. Now I have to walk for another 2 hours to get to Old Harrow Rocks. Oh my god, it's 2 hours, bro, according to Google Earth. As you can see, I'm carrying a really heavy bag.
I saw the cliff. I saw it.
If I only know that I need to walk 2 hours before I reach the Old Harrow Rock, maybe I should bring my bike here. It's my mistake. Feel tired. It's a long way walk. Oh my god. I'm so tired now, bro. I think it's my practice. Maybe in the future I will go to Wales or Lake District. Time check. It's 6:18 now, and I need to reach the Old Harrow Rock before sunset. That's my goal.
I knew there was a bus to Old Harrow Rocks, but I didn't have time to wait another hour for it.
It's up here, bro. I feel so tired now. Do I need to rest? It's been almost 1 hour now that I'm walking. And I feel so tired. I think I need to rest. Take some water. I've been walking for about an hour now, so I need to take a break and have some water. Here. Let's go back to walk.
After resting for a few minutes along the way, I knew I was getting close when I saw the cliffs in the distance. Seeing them made me feel more positive.
It's uphill, bro. Oh my goodness. It's uphill again. Oh my goodness. I cannot take this anymore.
Google Maps told me to continue straight, but I noticed a shortcut to the left. It was clearly marked as a private property, so I was unsure whether there would be a closed gate at the end. If the gate was open, though, I thought there might be a way through.
Hopefully, there's a shortcut going to Old Hard Rock. It's getting dark now. The sun is set now. Hopefully, the owner of this land cannot see me here. It's almost 8 o'clock now in the evening.
The grass was extremely dry and brown, which explained why barbecues and camping stoves were strictly prohibited. In these conditions, even a small spark could start a fire.
I'm almost there. But I'm passed by here in private. The good thing is they opened this one and they let the people enter here. The grass is so dry. I've never done a night like this here before, so honestly, don't know exactly what to expect. But apparently the views from Old Harry Rocks are insane. And we're getting closer.
Along the way, I came across a group of cows blocking the path, so I could not get past them. I decided to take another route, even though it meant walking farther from my destination.
Hopefully there's no cow there. Oh my god. This cow is insane, bro. This is crazy. They didn't allow me to pass by. Oh man. Look at the view, it's so amazing, bro.
I did not know whether there was a way through, but I felt hopeful that there might be an open gate at the end. Along the way, I saw the remains of an animal that appeared to have been there for months. In the distance, I could see a closed gate at the end of the path. When I tried to open it, I was very grateful to find that it was not locked. I'm on my way going to Old Harry Rocks now, and it's almost there. The sun is beautiful, bro. It's almost set now. I need to get there before set because I need to fly my drone there. I'm getting closer to the Old Harry Rocks now, and the crazy thing is I'm going to be seeing this place during the day. I think it's so amazing. On the left side of the road, I saw a path leading towards the cliff. I did not hesitate to take a look at the ocean, and what I saw was something I had not expected, a breathtakingly beautiful view. Look at that! Oh my! I felt nervous when I reached a 1 meter wide path with steep drops on both sides. I thought this spot could be a good place to camp, but it did not feel safe because it was so close to the road. Instead of going straight to the main part of all the high rocks, I turned right to find a more secluded spot. I didn't want people to see that I was carrying a sleeping gear, especially because there were many visitors around who could easily call the authorities.
I need to hide first before I'm going to the cliff, because I don't want that someone saw me that I have bag, that I have a sleeping gear, because camping here is prohibited. It's better to be safe.
The woods felt very creepy, and although I had seen a possible place to sleep, it did not feel right for the night. It was too far from the cliff, and I wanted to wake up early to a stunning view. That's why I decided to return to the trail and look for a way towards the cliff. If you have reached this part of the video, please subscribe and leave a like.
Oh, see, bro, the place is insane. It's amazing, bro. Oh, let's try to fly my drone.
I reached this spot before sunset, but I was very disappointed because my drone controller was not logged into the DJI Fly app. This severely limited how far and how high I could fly the drone. I tried connecting the controller to my phone Wi-Fi so I could download the app, but the download was extremely slow. While waiting for the app to download, I fell asleep. I woke up when I heard people singing in the distance.
I think I need to hide first my things here. Then I will go back later. I need to go to the cliff.
I walked toward cliff, feeling very nervous because of the steep drop. I also want to investigate the singing I could hear in the distance. The place was beautiful and the cliffs were stunning, but I felt nervous because there were no barriers or protection at the edge.
There's a lot of people here that know what they're doing. They are singing.
I realized it was a religious group, although I was not sure which religion they followed.
I want to sleep there, over there, but the problem is, how can I set up my tent there? There's a good spot over there, but I've been there earlier, but I don't know if that's very close to the road, the pathway. That's why I'm afraid maybe they easily see me there. I'm so tired, bro. Tomorrow I will explore this old high rock, because today it makes no sense if I will fly my drone now, because it's so dark now. I need to find a good spot. This part is okay, but the pathway it's too close here. That's why I hesitant. I need to find what's better. Oh, I think this part is not better, bro. How about this one? What's this? So, I don't like that. I don't like that. It's like they poop there.
This place seemed like a much better spot to sleep for the night, unlike the other side, which was very
Here's
dirty.
better. Yeah.
Then I started setting up my tent while listening to some good background music.
I don't want to open my stove now because of fire. Yeah, I have a stove, but I hesitate to open. You must follow rules.
I checked from a distance to see whether my tent was visible. It was because of the light, but once I turned it off, I was confident it could not be seen.
I'm so hungry, bro. I want to eat my food now. It's only burger. So, after a long journey, I finally made it here to Old Harry Rocks. I had no idea I would have to walk about 8 kilometers before reaching this amazing place, but it was totally worth it. The scenery is absolutely incredible and so insane, bro. Tomorrow morning, I'll be flying my drone to capture some amazing views. See you tomorrow, guys. Good night.
I woke up in the middle of the night because heavy winds were battering my tent.
The wind is so strong. My goodness, bro. I think I have a wrong place to sleep tonight.
Morning. It's 6 a.m. now, and before I pack up my things, I'm going to fly my drone first. Okay, let's go.
So I got a lot of footage of my drone, and now it's time to pack up now my things, then go home.
Oh, my friend Siga. Hey, what's up?
Before leaving the place, I took one last look at the cliffs. This adventure taught me that beautiful places can also be dangerous. Planning ahead, respecting safety rules, and knowing when to step back are just as important as seeking unforgettable experiences.
If you enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you. See you in my next video.